The Trackless MT7 is packed with advanced safety features designed to protect operators, bystanders, and maintenance personnel, ensuring a safer working environment in every situation. The Trackless MT7 features a certified rollover protective structure, or ROPS, cab. If the operator of the MT7 leaves their seat at any time, the connected attachment will shut down. Leaving the seat also shuts down the tractor engine unless the machine is in neutral. The seatbelt interlock system prevents the tractor from exceeding 5 km/h unless the seatbelt is buckled. The Trackless MT7 features a standard, full-color backup camera, which is displayed on the digital dash when the machine is put into reverse. 3 rear-view mirrors are also standard. The MT7 features an external up-down switch on the front of the tractor. This switch moves hydraulic cylinders into position when the operator is hooking up an attachment, eliminating the possibility of operator injury. When using this external switch, the cylinders move at 1/3 of the regular speed, providing precise and safe control for aligning the pins. The Trackless MT7 features red and silver reflective striping on the sides and rear of the machine to ensure visibility in low light conditions. A slow-moving vehicle decal is also featured on the rear panel of the machine. 8 flashing strobe lights are mounted above the roofline of the machine, providing 360-degree visibility. A backup alarm is also included. The MT7 was designed to drive directly into the front attachments for hookup. Both the push frame and the PTO shaft are supported at the correct height, which enables the operator to drive forward into each attachment easily and safely. The Trackless MT7 features the Ultra Brake System, an advanced braking mechanism designed to enhance safety. Under normal conditions, the tractor uses its hydrostatic transmission to slow down. However, when the operator presses the service brake pedal, it activates both the standard service brakes and the Ultra Brake System. The Ultra Brake System significantly increases the deceleration rate of the hydrostatic transmission, enabling the tractor to stop quickly and safely. This rapid braking capability is especially crucial during emergencies, ensuring the operator's instinctive reaction to press the brake pedal results in the shortest possible stopping distance. The MT7 features a fully enclosed exhaust after-treatment system to prevent accidental burns. All daily checkpoints, such as battery cutoff, breaker switches, air breather access, and oil and fuel filters, are conveniently placed on the tractor's left side. This ensures safer, easier access away from hot components. The advanced safety features of the Trackless MT7 highlight our commitment to operator and workplace safety. With the MT7, operators can confidently focus on their tasks, knowing they're protected by industry-leading safety standards.